इन दिस वीडियो मैं डिस्कस करूंगी कि क्या कॉमन मिस्टेक्स हैं जो एजेंट्स करते हैं और न्यू एजेंट्स ज़्यादा करते हैं और उनकी डील क्यों नहीं क्लोज हो पाती। अगर आप स्ट्रगल कर रहे हो कि मेरी डील क्यों नहीं क्लोज हो रही, तो ये वीडियो आपके लिए। सबसे पहले मोस्ट कॉमन एक हमारा परसेप्शन है किसी का भी काम करने का कि क्लाइंट्स आपके पास चल के आएंगे। क्लाइंट्स आर नेवर गोइंग वॉकिंग टू यू, आर नेवर गोइंग टू कम बाय वॉक टू यू। आपको ही बाहर निकलना है। यू हैव टू गेट आउट ऑफ योर कंफर्ट जोन, यू हैव टू गो देयर, यू हैव टू रीच टू द पीपल, टू द राइट पीपल, टू योर नेटवर्क, टू योर रेफरल्स, टू योर फ्रेंड्स, टू दोज ग्रुप्स, टू दोज इवेंट्स जहाँ आपको लगता है आपने आउटरीच करना है। यू हैव टू आउटरीच। इट्स अ प्रोएक्टिव मार्केट, इट्स नॉट अ साइलेंट मार्केट कि जहाँ पे आपको बस बैठे रहोगे और क्लाइंट खुद चल के आएगा। इट्स नॉट अ ग्रोसरी स्टोर। यू हैव टू रीच टू देम and make your personality and persona in such a way that they feel confident while talking to you. Your talking will make them confidence, will bring them confidence in you. And that is something very important before going to any event, any function. Dress up properly, make yourself feel like they want to talk to you, not you wanting to talk to them. And then reach out those people and talk to them. Don't sit at home and wait for the client to give you a call to give him a property or an investment proposal. Now, second thing when it comes to the real estate market is the client knows everything. If you don't know anything about the market, he is not going to buy from you. You have to basically understand, आपको समझना है कि मार्केट में है क्या. What is market? What is Dubai? What is real estate? What is India? What is UK? What is the price per square feet in Dubai? What is in Hong Kong? What is in China? What is in Germany? Unless and until you have all of those points with you. By the way, let me tell you, Dubai जो market है इस time पे, it is still very discounted market compared to all of those cities which I just named, like Miami, like New York, Hong Kong, Sydney. Any market compared to Dubai real estate market, you get a very big piece of land. The numbers and figures of Dubai real estate market are still very discounted. It is 4 times cheaper than any booming market in Dubai in the world. So you have to go with those numbers specifically so that your client feel confident that he's the right person and he's talking sense to me. Now, third point is over promising and under delivering. For example, you promise the client that you will make him up to 15% of the ROI in next 1 year, and what happens कि आप वो बना नहीं पाओ. What happens? आप अगर वो बना नहीं पाते हो, then it is wrong, completely wrong, because you were not on your words. The client might have invested one time with you, but he's never going to come back and invest with you again. The last and most important is you give up very soon. It is not just one-time job. It is not finished in 1 week or 1 month. You have to go out there consistently. You have to show up. You have to get out of your bed, out of your comfort zone completely to get to close one deal. And when one deal happens, that is one thing which gives you much more confidence to go out there and speak to more people that what you are doing is right. And when you actually achieve those numbers, it will give you much more confidence. You don't have to give up. Give up is one thing कि हम 1 महीना, 2 महीने, 3 महीने काम करते हैं, and let's say if our strategy is not right, if we are not talking to the right people, and if you don't have a good teamwork with you, you will eventually not close. You will lose hope. You will sit. You will be feeling, oh, what I've done with my life. I'm not feeling motivated. Why? Because money motivates everyone, and so does you. So you have to go and reach to the right people and make them understand that you are the right person, and don't give up so quickly. You have to work every single day, wake up every single day and outreach, and don't give up. This is very important. Comment below what mistakes you have seen in real estate, and let's help each other grow.